Don't feel bad, it's all over my foot. Did you get that on video where that's what she said? No, I just started recording. What? What about tramp stamps? Hey, Bags. How's it going? No, how you doing? Don't even start with that again.
Remember the joke up here trying to cross the road?
Ashley, there's a car coming.
You can't go.
Ashley, you can't go. Yes, I can. Walk.
I'm so bad at crossing the road.
Emily,
Stop it. What about that? What about that, huh?
and I'm like,
This is gonna go in our. This is gonna go on our video.
is it?
Yeah, especially the first part. Bet you that was a good capture.
She just like took it down and she walked off.
No, I tried to beat the green.
Let's see if there's any buggies up there. Which I do see one, in fact. Oh, hi. Have a nice day.
Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Stop what?
Everything.
Why?
Because.
Why?
I hate this.
It's so hot out here today.
I think we should get a border instead of coming back.
You want to?
Yeah, like instead of coming back to Barnes & Noble.
I've never been in Borders.
We were into that one time where I put the eyeshadow on your eyeliner on your neck, and I was like, "You want to go to the devil?"
I don't
What's on
remember.
video? We were in there before. Remember Chris's name? What Chris's number on that punch machine?
How to block her.
I don't remember.
Search books and you type in the
Oh,
Up there.
Up there. This is our walk to TGI Fridays. We'll be back.
I was in like jeans and like a light
Press the damn button.
and a candy and flip flops.
Huge button.
Freezing.
I was wearing shorts and a hoodie.
I was freezing.
Have a nice day. Damn it! Turn the freaking.
It's gonna be a drive-by shooting. So really,
That was Daniel.
It says walk. Damn you!
oh my god.
It says walk. Oh, okay. Thank you. I got that on recording.
It's like Mean Girls.
Oh, that was the bus. Regina George. Oh, damn it. Hi, you're going to wait for us. Thank you. Have a good day.
Oh my god.
Here's the steps of doom.
I think I fall up here somewhere.
Yep.
Right up here.